One of the things you'll find if you're restoring an old VW is sometimes the tubing is rotten, like this particular tubing. You can get this one at like IMS Metal Supply. They have something similar. The specs are on Wolfsburg West website, and they also do sell the tubing. But some of you guys, maybe the shipping cost and, or you just don't want to pay as much as they charge for it. It's a little bit cheaper this way. And so you can get standard tubing. I think this is I think this one's 3/8 or 7/16. It's yeah, 7/16 probably. And it's got the it actually is about 12 millimeter. It's just a little bit larger, and you can massage the ends down a little bit for your e-brake cable to fit inside there. This particular tubing right here is the steel tubing for the throttle cable, and I'll tell you, it's a little bit hard to find. You might find it'd be easier to buy it from them, but if you're local to a O'Reilly Auto Parts, they have this is 5/16, 7.9 millimeter, 5/16 tubing. It's very close to the original size. They may have 8 millimeter. I didn't ask because I knew that they had this. This stuff right here, what's cool, I think this is a zinc coating that's on here. This is, I think, electronically applied zinc coating, which is different than, like, say, weld through primer where you spray it on and it only adheres as well as the product does, especially when it's a spray can. It may not be nearly as good as this is. So this has got, I believe this has a zinc coating on it, just like this metal that I use. Of course, as soon as you weld it, any of the zinc is pretty much gone in those areas. So definitely need to coat it. I would coat everything anyway. But they do have this stuff at O'Reilly Auto Parts. It's steel tubing. It's for, it's generic for brake line. Okay, it's steel tubing. It says on it, brake line coil. So they sell this stuff, and it is about, there's enough there to do, I'd say, all the tubing, for all of your frame, for your heat cables and your throttle cable. So, and then some. It's 25 feet, so you'll have plenty. And it's about, I'd say as much as just the throttle cable tube alone from them. So it's actually a pretty good deal to buy it there. I don't know where they get theirs. I just thought I'd make a quick video on this in case you're just doing that or you're searching for that and be easier to find it. I'll talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.